We are looking at how to pronounce these two words. How do they differ? How do you pronounce them differently or not? We're going to be looking into this. If you enjoy learning about correct pronunciations and learning English, make sure to subscribe and like this video if you found it useful. Cause is the top word here. Cause. So you do want to close your mouth quite thoroughly there to say cause. The bottom word is said as because, because, because versus cause. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support. Like it, at least it helps me a lot. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations, words and names that many mispronounce. You don't want to be one of those. You won't anymore after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.